Good morning, everybody. So welcome to week 2. So this week we're going to be doing something a little bit more fun, and in an attempt to connect and get to know each other a little bit better, we're going to be doing some Google Slide presentations called All About Me. And so you're going to make a presentation using Google Slides, and I will show you here under classwork. You will see that the slides posted here, you're going to replace all the information that's my information with your information. So you're going to create a slideshow about yourself, and you're going to put your name, you want to insert a photo, I want you to write a little bit about your family, list your favorite movies, the types of music that you like, bands, artists, genres, etc. List some of the books that you like, some of your favorite hobbies or activities, and then list some of the places that you've either traveled or would like to visit one day. You can also feel free to add additional slides if you want to put anything else. You'll see that once you get to the bottom, there's some tech tips about cropping pictures there, so you can use that if you'd like. And then also, the second slide here shows you how to make some edits and modifications. So I encourage you to not only replace my information, but play around with it to change up the fonts, change the colors. You can change the theme. You can keep the theme that I have, or you can change the theme. You can add background, you can add additional images, videos, whatever you want to do. So if you want to get a 7 or an 8 on this assignment, then you need to go above and beyond and add different things in that are not just this kind of plain white background with text and images. And how you would do that is if you go up to the top toolbar here, you'll see that the easiest way is to click on slide. You can add new slides, you can duplicate, delete a slide, you can move slides, you can change the background, which would allow you to add an image for a background. You can change the background colors. You can also apply a different layout for the slides. And then at the bottom here, you can also change the theme. So if you click on that, you'll see on the right-hand side, you'll see that the theme that I've used here is just this first one, just a plain background here. And then if you scroll down, you'll see all different themes that you can choose from that add different fonts, different, layout designs, different colors. So I encourage you to mess around with that and get something that you enjoy and that you find engaging and aesthetically pleasing, because that's what this is all about. Being able to make visually engaging and interesting presentations is a really important skill. And as you get older, and especially in high school and in college, you're going to be doing these types of things all the time. So I, as an adult, as a professional, I am still constantly making presentations, I'm making slideshows, and it's really important to be able to make something that can capture your audience's attention, keep them interested, tell them the information that they need to know with minimal words. And yeah, I also posted a video at the bottom that will show you, gives you a little tutorial of all the different things that you can do as well with Google Slides. So if you have any questions or if you want to do something different, a lot of the basics are covered in that video. After you do that, I will add the link down here. Each class will have their own individual Flipgrid. I want you to go into Flipgrid and you're going to create a video response presentation. It's only 1 minute and 30 seconds. Just tell me the kind of key highlights of your slideshow, just so that I know about you, and tell me some of the things that you like and maybe what you've been doing since we've been out of school, things like that. Be creative, be appropriate, be creative. I also encourage you to watch your classmates' videos and interact that way if you'd like to. And I'm really looking forward to seeing all of your presentations and learning more about you. For this week, I'm going to post office hours probably for Wednesday, so you'll see that invitation coming out soon. I will post the details on the stream, and that way, if you have any questions about this assignment, that would be a good time to pop in and meet with me and ask any questions that you might have. So that'll be posted here in the stream. It'll have all the details, how to get into the meeting and what time and when and all that stuff. So yeah, I really look forward to it. I hope you all have a great week. And remember, email me if you have any questions. And yeah, just have fun. Okay.